Here we have the SM1 internally threaded tube, SM1 externally threaded tube with the SM1 female inside. There you can see it's Thor Labs there. And here is the pressure tuner bulkhead adapter with the SM1 male adapter with the O-ring. This is the end cap with the plastic removed. I have 3 perimeter screws here at what looks like 60-degree increments. This gives a little bit of leverage when you twist it. It's to engage the threads. These screws are the mechanical stop holding the piston inside there. Difficult to see. There's the piston. See, it's deep in the tube. So we'll thread this all the way and hopefully we can see the piston come out. There are lots of threads. This is a micro thread, so it's very sensitive to rotation, linear conversion, and this provides precision wavelength control that a coarse thread does not offer. It's almost too fine though, this takes a very long time. So each half a rotation, probably less than 1 micrometer. Typically, once your pressure tuner is set, you do not have to readjust it, so once this thing is on band, you're good to go. You just leave it there unless you have to burp it. And if you have to burp it, just take it off the bulkhead adapter so you don't have to completely unthread the piston. Kind of awkward tightening it this way. And there you have it. The piston is fully engaged. Threads are sealed. SM1 thread to the etalon housing. Now it's fully tightened, airtight. That's where the pressure builds up inside. Here is a Teflon coated M72x1 adapter to encase the etalon. So once that's engaged, the etalon won't move, and there'll be two laser cut gaskets on both faces of the etalon to ensure an airtight seal in there. This might need some silicone cement. There's an O-ring here attached to the etalon housing. You might need a second one on the inside here and a thread lock so that the pressure tuner cannot spin. I have those on the way. Anyways, that's the home-built pressure tuner. Works very well so far. Cheers.